Hello, here's how you create a student account on Townsend Press's Learning Center. First off, if you Google Townsend Press, you may come to this page. TownsendPress.com is Townsend Press's storefront and corporate homepage. The Learning Center is available under Learning Center and Sign In. You'll notice that is TownsendPress.net. If you find yourself at this page when you Google Townsend Press, you can just come here, hit Create Account. If you are at the sign-in page, you can hit Sign Up and you'll go to the same place. I'll demonstrate that again. Homepage, Create Account. Now for students choose Create a Student Account, obviously, and you fill in the information. Okay, let's fill in our first name here. My name is Bob, and last name Smith. I don't have a nickname, so I'll leave it blank. It'll just use for Bob for now. Signing in requires either an email address or a username. If you have an email address that you use, I recommend using an email address because you can do password resets if you forget your password. I'm going to fill in email address here, but first let me show you for username. You still would fill in your username and re-enter what you want for your username. Either way, what you choose as a username, a student ID or a funny name that you like on the internet, it has to be unique in our system. Same thing with your email address, obviously. No one else gets email at your address but you. So I'm going to say bob@townsendpress.com. I'm going to type a password and hit continue. If you have a mobile phone that you want to get password resets with, you can enter the number here. We don't use it for any purposes but password reset. Feel free to skip it if you don't want to put it in. Now I can pick my class. This is not necessary, but it's handy if you already know your teacher has a class in the Learning Center. They will usually tell you how to find them. I'm going to pick Alabama, and there's a school, there's a college, where I know I've created a class in Air University. My teacher's name is Reverend Benedict. If you don't know your class name, you can pick the teacher and just choose, my teacher will choose a class. And the class is called New Class. I'm going to hit Create Account. Now the teacher will know that I have asked to enroll in their class, and I can just go to the homepage now. I'm automatically signed in. You're ready to go. When I hit the homepage, you can see the new class is listed. I'm already enrolled. Thank you.